Today I'm going to show you guys how to put together the Piscifun Speed X line spooler. It comes in 5 pieces in the box, super simple. You got the main body, take that, you take the spooler, you insert that in there. Then you thread this onto here, like so. That's locked in. Then you take this nut, put it on there, and spin that on there like that. Super simple. And that's pretty much it for the installation of this part. Now when you're ready to put your line back onto the spool, you're gonna insert this into both ends and with the spool in the middle, and this is gonna allow you to reel the line back from here to here. So let me also show you how easy it is to install the reel. You go ahead, you slide that under there, take it, screw that down. So like that. See, it's locked in already that quick. Then for the line, go ahead, tighten up this a little bit. Kind of want to get these on there straight, so if you need to put that other if you need to put this through there, it'll go through there easily. So just line that up, and that's it. It's that simple. Then you open this, you connect that on there. Connect that on there like that. And just like that, you're ready to go. Start reeling lining. And then when you're ready to take it back off, stick that in there. Super simple.